given that HCF is equals to 9 and LCM we have to find out. So here we can see first number is equal to 306 and second number is equals to 657, and we know that first number multiply second number is equals to LCM multiply HCF. It means product of first and second number is always equals to product of LCM and HCF. Now we have first number, second number and HCF. So how we will find LCM? LCM is equals to first number 306 multiply second number 657 divided by HCF, and HCF is 9. So when we will divide 657 by 9, so we will have 9 sevens are 63 and 2 will be remainder 27, and then 9 threes are 27. Now we will multiply 306 into 73. Then after calculating we will have 22,338. So LCM is equals to 22,338. So it's